This is Keelan Blackwell here at the Chicago Eco House. I'm going to do a demonstration of how to change the filament on the model Monoprice Maker Plus. I have to do this video because one of my sites on the west side of Chicago just needs a little assistance in changing the filament for the 3D program that we're doing out of the school over there. And I just figured I might as well make a video to help not only our site but any other people who are trying to figure this out. So the thing that's really nice about the Monoprice Maker Plus is it's very user friendly. It has a very nice digital interactive touchscreen. So the first step that we want to do is make sure that the machine is fully preheated. In this case, I preheated on the PLA mode. As you can see, the bed's at 50 degrees Celsius and the extruder is at 190 degrees. So once it's fully preheated, we're going to go back and you see this button here. It says filament. So we're going to click that. And then we're going to go to unload filament. So I can show you how to unload it. So when we unload it, then it's going to preheat itself to 200 degrees Celsius. So we're just going to wait a little bit while it preheats all the way up to 200 degrees Celsius. And the thing that's really nice about this machine is that it will unload itself. So you can hear the motors already churning inside the extruder as we're at right now 204 degrees. So the motors basically are going to pull it out, and as you can see, it's very easy. Just pull it up. So on the Monoprice Maker Plus, it's very simple to unload the filament. Now, to load the filament, what we're going to do is hold up. I have to clip this, so I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to make a part 2.